Today, we're diving deep into the engineering behind the telescopic boom, its hydraulic system, extension stages, load capacity, and real-world performance. If you love heavy machinery, this video is for you. A telescopic boom crane is a type of crane characterized by a boom that can extend and retract, allowing it to reach higher and further than fixed boom cranes. This unique design enables the crane to lift loads vertically and horizontally across longer distances. The boom is typically composed of multiple tubular sections, powered by hydraulic systems, which provide smooth and precise control over the crane's movements. Telescopic boom cranes are widely used in construction, manufacturing, and transportation industries due to their versatility and ability to adjust their reach and lifting capacity as needed. Aggregates used in telescopic crane. First part is telescopic crane boom. Heavy cranes, such as telescopic cranes, can be mounted on top of a truck and then driven to those places where goods and loads need to be moved. A hydraulic mechanism allows the movement of elongation and refraction of the beam, such as knuckle boom, crane, telescopic boom, lift then. Supporting chassis truck in charge of transporting the crane depends on each model. Support of the crane, the cabin, the pen, transports all the weight. In the van place the stabilizers and the superstructure, thus relieving the efforts. Third is orientation crown. To maneuver the load, the boom must be able to move to the right and to the left, as well as up and down. Beneath the operator's cab is a Rotex gear on a rotating platform, bearing that rotates at 2 revolutions per minute, RPM. It is powered by a bidirectional hydraulic motor mounted in the cab and housed in a metal cover to prevent injury. To control the telescope, made control cabin. All this equipment is controlled by the operator inside the cabin, which is located at the top of the deck. Crane operators use various control mechanisms to raise and lower the boom, turn the boom and boom, wind and roll the winch, and control other peripheral equipment. The hydraulic crane has 2 basic types of controls to maneuver a load. Joysticks. There are 2 joysticks in the cabin. One controls the movement from left to right of the arm, and the other controls the movement back and forth. Pedals. These pedals are responsible for retracting and extending the telescopic sections of the boom. They also control the amount of pressure generated by the pump. Next part is lifting equipment. The joysticks and pedals are connected to hydraulic hoses that connect several hydraulic cylinders to the spool valves. The spool valve is connected to the hydraulic pump through a third hose that is placed between the 2 hoses that go from the spool valve to the hydraulic piston. When a joystick is pushed in one direction, the valve closes one of the hydraulic hoses that lead to the ram and opens the other. The way the joystick is pushed determines whether the piston in the hydraulic ram slides in or out. Then, crane stabilizer hydraulic truck cranes are used to lift heavy loads at high altitudes, and it is important that the truck is completely stable during the lifting operation. The tires do not offer the necessary stability, so the truck uses stabilizers that act as scales to prevent the crane from leaning too far to one side or the other. The stabilizers use the hydraulic system to lift the entire truck, the tires, and everything from the ground. Now, next is crane counterweight. There are also removable counterweights that can be placed on the back of the crane at the bottom of the cab. These counterweights prevent the crane from tilting forward during the operation. The amount of counterweight needed for a particular lift is determined by the weight of the load, the radius of the boom, and the angle of the boom during the operation. Counterweights are only used during lifts. They have to be removed before the truck can be driven. Now, the conclusion is here. In conclusion, telescopic cranes stand as marvels of engineering ingenuity embodying the fusion of innovation and utility. Their exceptional capabilities empower industries across the globe, facilitating the completion of complex projects with precision and efficiency. By delving into the mechanics, applications, and considerations surrounding telescopic cranes, operators gain valuable insights that enhance their ability to harness these machines effectively. Whether lifting heavy loads amidst bustling construction sites or navigating through challenging terrains, telescopic cranes serve as reliable companions in achieving ambitious goals while upholding safety standards. Next time you see a telescopic crane, you'll know the complex, brilliant engineering quietly working beneath the skin. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more engineering deep dives. See you next time.